Minister Jim Muhwezi, the Minister for National Security, has expressed concerns about sectarianism in the Kisoro woman MP by-election campaigns, calling it a threat to national security. Speaking at the Kigezi Media Symposium in Rukunjiri district, Muhwezi condemned promoters of sectarianism, emphasizing that politics of identity based on religion or tribe can leave the population vulnerable to insecurity. Muhwezi urged journalists to practice responsible journalism and deny media space for politicians seeking to destroy the nation through sectarianism, labeling them ideologically bankrupt. He also reminded the public that they are not electing clan or religious leaders, but people to serve everyone regardless of their differences.
Politics of identity is a danger to our country, and you as journalists should identify it as one of the challenges we have, and you should condemn it. Because does anybody want to be discriminated against? If you were looking for a job, wouldn't you be hurt if you were not taken because of your identity? So why should you allow someone to promote it, whether directly or indirectly? Because there are some people who hide, but they are promoting politics of identity. You should identify them and condemn them, because they take us back to the days we fought to change. So, I think that is all I have to say. Maybe if you have questions, you ask me and I answer. But I'm happy that responsible reporting is very, extremely important. The other point I want to make is that you are nationals. You are nationals. You have a country you come from. Therefore, you have a country to protect. Of patriotism. Are you patriotic? Is what you do good for the country? The country you were born in, the country you live in, the country you produce your children to live long after you. Are you protecting it, or are you destroying it? Patriotism is the love of one's country. Love your country. If you are Ugandan and you don't love Uganda, you are mistaken. I've seen people who oppose government and want to destroy Uganda. Now, if you want to be in power, don't you need Uganda? Don't you want the infrastructure in Uganda? Don't you want roads, hospitals, schools? So, as a patriot, what role are you playing? What role are you playing? Don't think that you have nothing to do. No, what you write, what you air on radio can build the country, can destroy the country. What you air out, what you post, what you write. Is it good? Is it bad? The message you carry, does it build? Does it destroy? What is the outcome? What do you want to get out of it? Because sometimes I listen to radio. I wonder whether the person talking knows what he's doing. if we were to follow the law to be serious, many people would be in jail. Even here in the district of Kudu. I'm telling you, if we were to follow the law to the letter, many people, and I'm surprised some of them are not here when they are discussing, talking about these things. But I hear what they are saying, and I shudder. And that is why I told Mrs. that I would like to talk to you. As a parent, yes, so that you realize the importance of your role, but also the danger that lies in that role you are playing.
The UB40 President, Dr. Jude Marvin Katelega, echoed Muhwezi's sentiments, highlighting the negative impact of politics of identity on development and good governance.
Of course, we believe that the media fraternity, they are the information managers. Our research shows us that in Kigezi, politics of identity is too much, and it is hindering development, of which Kigezi is known for being bold and being too hardworking and producing good leaders. So we are saying that we are going to lose good leaders in future because of politics of identity that has really come into the sub-region. And we believe that in this sub-region of Kigezi, where we have always been getting good leaders, we are seeing many people who are practicing politics of identity. It has been in Kisoro, even in this just by concluded by election, we are seeing it. It is too much. So we believe that when we handle it when it is a little bit early, because the sub-region is vulnerable, at least we shall have helped the country and we shall have helped the generation to further on our cause as a generation. Of course, leaders have to take on this war of politics of identity, because it retards development. And we are going to face a challenge of also getting leaders who will not work for the benefits of the people. Because a leader is supposed to work for the people, because leadership is a profound responsibility. It's not just a position. We believe that these leaders, the good leaders, when they are sent to the national, they have to lobby for their people, especially to ensure that wealth creation is at play. So if we have leaders who don't understand wealth creation, then people will not jump into the money economy, which the president is talking about. So Kigezi, we are seeing it too much vulnerable, and we believe with the media, with the expertise we see with the young media personalities in Kigezi, they will take it head on for the advancement of Uganda and the societies.
This comes after Kisoro District NRM Chairperson Dr. Philemon Mateke cautioned religious leaders against interfering in the campaigns, citing financial support from some leaders to specific contestants.
ariko dufite abantu bize kwiba ubururu bari kubwiba uyu nguyu yari yabatsinze ariko baragenda bararimanganya wa kabiri ariko ubu ngubu aho tugeze bagize ngo enough is enough. Ubu ikiriho n'ukureba ngo President of Parliament.
The by-election set for the 14th of November 2024 has attracted 6 candidates: Rose Kabajenyi, NRM; Grace Ngavirano, Akifeza, Independent; Sarim Sultana, NUP; Aisha Chimpaye, PPP; Juliet Musanase, FDC; and Mebo Ingabire, UPC. Memory Aguma for iTelevision.